thing I brought the salmon rod.
No kidding.
The one I got before this was just a little perch. I told her that I caught monsters here and then I caught a perch.
So now you have to catch,
And
now
I
you're
got
catching the
I really beat
monster.
myself. I kept them at the bottom.
How deep is it right here?
I think it's about 7-8 feet where this is right here. Like where that line is.
This is pretty exciting.
Do you have a net?
No, it's too big for a net. Nets are for wusses.
And that's how are you gonna get it up here?
I'm gonna bring it up there.
Oh.
It's moving in a second.
He's gonna have to go around to the shore when he gets it up here.
Go what?
I'm
You
gonna
get-
have to come up around you guys and bring him up here because in order to land him,
Okay.
he's still figuring out. I'm tight.
That's
See it?
fucking crazy. I don't think I've seen a sturgeon.
Come check it out. Coming up right now.
Really?
It's not that big, but it's huge.
Oh yeah. Looks like a little shark.
You're just gonna have to step over shit.
Do you mind grabbing me?
It's here.
This is a 9.5 foot salmon rod.
What do I,
He asked for them.
oh,